Heddiw ar faes y sioe, mae'r FUW a'r FAW wedi dod at ei gilydd yn dyfer ymieithwyr a thîm pêl-droed Merched Cymru yma. Rhian Wilkinson yn fan hyn, prif hyfforddwr tîm Merched Cymru yn de Caryl Roberts. Y ddwy na chi wedi bod yn brysur iawn yma. Beth wedi bod yn digwydd? Rho rhyw ragflas i ni.
Da ni wedi cael seminar heddiw yn edrych ar beth sy'n cysylltu Ffermio a pêl-droed yn ein cymunedau gwledig ni. A pha mor bwysig ydy i ferched gael role models yn y ddau ddiwydiant.
Yeah, well, role models. We've got plenty of role models now, haven't we, Rhian?
I hope so, and I hope they continue to be front and center as this amazing women's team here in Wales continues to grow and push the game to bigger and bigger heights.
Well, congratulations on your victory against Kosovo.
Yeah, diolch. It's the next step now is at home, and we hope to get a good crowd out to Cardiff in October because we have to win those playoffs to get to the last round.
Are you aware of the difference this team is making to women, to girls in Wales?
Well, I'm getting an idea of it. Obviously, I have Welsh heritage, but I am not from this country. But the more I'm learning, the more impressed I am with how much work the women do off the field as well to continue to grow the game here.
Yeah. Felly o ran pêl-droed, beth ydy'r tebygrwydd ta? Lle mae merched yn y ddau faes mewn gwirionedd?
Wel, mae merched yn bodoli yn ein cymunedau gwledig ni, ond ydy'r cyfleoedd ddim yna. So, da ni wedi trafod heddiw, sgynny nhw adnoddau. Sgynny merched ni ddim changing rooms i newid yn ddim. Sgynny ni'n pitches 3G o fewn yn cymunedau gwledig ni. So, da ni angen rhoi y cyfleoedd yna mwyn gwneud y siŵr bod merched hefo cyfle i chwarae pêl-droed. A mae rhyw fath i amaethyddiaeth. Mae rhaid ni roi y cyfle i ferched yn rhan o amaethyddiaeth. A dwi'n meddwl o edrych rownd ar y sioe heddiw, mae yna ddigon o ferched o gwmpas.
Oes, da chi'n deud fi. So at that grassroots level then, you really want to work hard there? Is that how you feel?
Yeah, we're growing the game at the most visible end with the senior women's national team, but we also know that it's not as available as it should be to our young girls, and that's part of what we're trying to do here and what we're trying to do across Wales to make sure that we continue to push the game in schools and in local clubs.
Well, it's great to have you here. Mae'n ddiddorol iawn dydy y cyfarfod yma heddiw yma. And what about the Royal Welsh? Have you been here before?
Yeah, so my grandfather was a farmer from Bonvilston, so I came here as a young person, so pretty incredible to be back now.
Well, it's great to have you here. A phob luck efo'r cam nesaf i'r tîm ynde. All the best.
Diolch.